Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 9, Computer Science 8th class. Students, we have completed our first two units, unit number 1 and unit number 2. Today we are going to start our unit number 3, which is spreadsheets in Excel. This is also a very important unit according to your objective type in your exams. In this unit we are going to study spreadsheet software and what is Excel's, how we can work in spreadsheet software, what is worksheet, what is workbook, what is cell, how do we insert text, what is type, what kind of functions or formulas we can utilize in Excel sheets. There are multiple things we are going to study in this unit. If we see the table of content, we can see that first thing we're going to study is introduction. In introduction, we're going to study what is spreadsheet, then what is the purpose of spreadsheet, what is spreadsheet software Excel, and then we're going to study what is workbook and worksheet, what is the difference between both of them. Then we're going to study Excel application window, then basic element of worksheet, then data manipulation, then entering formula, inserting function, creating different spreadsheets. Then we're going to study formatting worksheets elements. Select a cell and range of cells to apply formatting, apply borders and backgrounds, color to a cell or range of cells border, inserting new rows and columns. And then we're going to study what is chart and how we can insert that in spreadsheet softwares. If you understand this unit very well and this thing, the spreadsheet software Excel is going to help you in your future also. If you are going to study SEC or you want to be a chartered accountant, this will help you. Basic information you are going to learn in this unit. Let's start our today's lecture. Unit number 3, spreadsheets in Excel. A brief unit introduction. Spreadsheet is one of the widely used application package installed in computers to manage data in rows and columns. In this unit, students will learn about this spreadsheet package, Excel. They will learn to manipulate data, numeric and non-numeric, in the cells available in spreadsheet. This unit will explain how to perform different arithmetic operations on data and convert it to graphical form. Introduction to spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a computer application which is used to display data in multiple cells, usually in a two-dimensional matrix or grid consisting of rows and columns. Each cell contains numeric or non-numeric data, formulae or functions. Spreadsheet software basically, if we check computer application, it is a suite which software suite which helps you to do multiple type of numerical calculations. In this spreadsheet software, you do have to do some work in form of Excel and columns like a matrix. It likes you are dealing a matrix, a two-dimensional matrix or a grid. Spreadsheets are frequently used for financial information because of their ability to recalculate the entire sheet automatically after a change to a single cell is made. Microsoft Office Excel 2007 is spreadsheet software. Right now in the market, you can find 2019 version. 2007 is too much old. Right, I am using 2016 right now. Spreadsheet basically helps in your calculation type function working, where you have to do some working with numbers, or you can say when you have to deal with financial statements, you can use Excel software. It has the ability to recalculate the entire sheet. How? Just change with the change of one formula. What is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a computer program used to enter, analyze and calculate data for record keeping. Spreadsheet basically help you to enter, analyze and calculate data and to store it for later use. It stores and presents data in rows and columns. Data is stored in form of rows and columns like a matrix. Data can easily be entered, modified and deleted from it. You can easily enter data into cell. You can change it if you want, or you can delete it if you need it, if you don't need it. It performs mathematical calculation and projection based on data entered. It will show you mathematical calculations and projection based on data entered. Common spreadsheet uses include analysis, charting and budgeting. Common use of spreadsheet software is analyzing and making charts of your data and budgeting. Use budgeting. You have may have listened using some kind sort of budgeting software to manage this all over the monthly budgets. So you can use Excel for your budgeting. Purpose of spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are used in different fields for variety of purposes like accounting, budgeting, charting or graphing, financial analysis and scientific application, etc. It is used for many purposes, like it is used for accounting, it is used for budgeting, it is used for charting and or graphing, it's used for financial analysis, it is used for scientific applications, or it is used for charting. When you have entered your data, you can use its featured charts that can help you to add different types of chart according to your data. Spreadsheet is used to store and maintain data in a tabular form. That your data is displayed in form of tables. You can maintain and store your data in form of table. Manipulate and calculate data by using various functions and formulae. You can manipulate and calculate data by using various functions and formulae. Perform complex mathematical calculations. It can help you to solve some complex mathematical calculations. Complex means pechida. Recalculate formula automatically whenever a value is changed or modified. Once you have posted the formula at the end of any station and you have selected the cell on which the formula is applied, whenever you change a value in the cell, the formula in the cell automatically recalculate the value. How this is possible, I will show you some of the Excel working along with your study. Create charts and graphs to represent data. Process and display needed information by sorting and filtering entries according to established criteria. It will process and display needed information, the information you have required, by sorting and filtering entire entries. By sort and filter means you can select selective data from your entries. Entries means that the data you have entered come to established criteria. What is established criteria? Let's take example. You are creating a result card of whole class. In the result card, you will put a formula of grading. According to that grading and the formula of positioning, according to that grading and positioning, the value will be fetched, filtered and sorted accordingly. Next is spreadsheet software Excel. Excel is the most commonly used spreadsheet software. Excel is one of the popular commonly used spreadsheet software. Excel can be used from home to professionals level to perform calculations on data, creating mailing lists and creating budgets. Popular and commonly used spreadsheet software. It can help you from home to professional level. What is home level? You just do some sort of budgeting at home level. What is professional level? You do financial statements. You make financial statements for the organizational level. Okay. ACCAs, chartered accountants use the software for do some financial state to make some financial statements. Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program that can be used for sorting, organizing, and manipulating data. Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program. Electronic means it is used on electronic devices, used for storing, to store, organizing, to manage, and manipulate, to editing or performing different calculation. Excel screen is in the form of rectangular table or grid of rows and columns. It is form of in rectangular table and or grid of rows and columns. The horizontal rows are identified by numbers 1, 2, 3, and vertical columns is alphabet A, B, C or doublet A, B, etc. Let me show you the Excel windows where you can understand these things. So students, this is what called Excel, spreadsheet software Excel. It is in form of tabular. This is in tables. These are columns and these are rows. Rows are represented with alphabets and columns are represented by numbers. So here you can see a simple let's put some values and solve it. Equal sum this one is the answer. Okay, let me color fill it so that it takes different. What if I change the value? Let's just change to 23. Now look at here clearly. This value automatically change. This is Excel. You can use it multiple types of working. We are going to use it in different working according to the formalization and the function that are we going to study. I will try to perform the working as we study the thing what we have studied. Like we are going to study some formula, we are going to study multiply, divide, average, mean, max, whatever we are going to study in this unit. I'm going to do the practical work for you so that you can help you can got help from that and clear your concepts. So students, in today's lecture we have studied introduction to this unit, unit spreadsheets in Excel. We do introduction what is spreadsheet, then we do purpose of spreadsheet, then we see what is spreadsheet software Excel. With this our today's lecture has wounded up. We will meet soon in next lecture. Till that, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.